Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shawnee, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this pre-colored wig and got the hairline to look amazing and super natural. The wig we'll be working with today is from AliExpress. This is a 22-inch wig, straight hair, 13 by 4 HD frontal, and it is a 99J red burgundy colored wig. I'll leave all the information down below if interested in it. So first I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray and spray some of the flyaway hairs out of the way and comb them back. Next, I'm going to take some basic white bleach powder and 40 volume developer to bleach the knots. If you're able to turn the mixing bowl upside down without the bleach mixture falling out, then it's the perfect consistency. You don't have to worry about it running through your lace and touching the hair. So now I'm going to apply the bleach like so, and I let the bleach sit on the lace for about an hour. After the bleaching process, I wash and condition the hair, and usually I would let the hair air dry, but because I am installing this wig on someone other than myself, I blow dried it so I could begin the plucking process. Next, I'm going to take the hot comb and I use a little bit of my wax stick to smooth everything back before I start plucking. I like to start by parting out the baby hair section. I just find it easier to do this when I pluck. And I also use a white t-shirt or a white cloth. You can also use a white towel. It's honestly personal preference. Whatever you choose, as long as it is white and bright so that you can see what you're doing. Because if it's on a regular canvas head, you might end up giving yourself a little hole when you start to pluck. The key to plucking is that you never want to do too much and you never want to stay in the same spot. So what you want to do is go ahead and pull the hair at least 3 to 4 times within one spot and then skip over. So here, I'm just doing the plucking motion, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then skip over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then skip over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then skip over. Then I'm just gonna comb some of the hair back once I finish doing that to get all the shed hairs out the way. And make sure when you pull the hair, you're grabbing the actual knot and not just the hair and breaking it off. So this is what the hair is looking like after one side is done. Now I'm going to move over to the other side and pluck in the same motion that I was doing before. And I'm trying to get rid of the boxy look because this hairline on the frontal is very boxy. So by doing that, you do help the boxy look go away, and it gives the illusion that the hairline is natural. As you guys can see, I'm just going across the hairline back and forth. In this next spot, I'm going to show you guys again. Pluck, 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 skip. Pluck, 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 skip. Pluck, 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 skip. Pluck, 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 skip. And yeah, so this is what I do to help the frontal not look so boxy, because sometimes when you get your frontals, depending on who the company is, it might be a little boxy. So that's just what I do to prevent that look, because that box look is not natural whatsoever. And also, don't pluck too hard, because if you do it too hard, you will risk the lace being ripped and may put a hole in it. This is an up-close view of what the hairline is looking like. As you can see, the hairline is looking so natural, and it doesn't look boxy anymore at all. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful, and I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. And if you are returning, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Turn on the bell, post notifications every single time I post a new video on here. And I will see you guys in the next one.